Welcome to Graphtopia, where we manage a mega factory. And today we're going to do pretty much what we did yesterday, take over the world. Why is that purple train going up that track? That purple train wasn't supposed to go up that track. That's interesting. And why is that train stopping there? Interesting. They seem to have gotten themselves stuck. Which is very interesting, right off the bat. Are they still there or have they moved? The train's not supposed to stop there. Oh, he's gone now. Oh no, he's still there. Let's see if we can stop here. Yes. Now what are you doing there? What train are you? You're the motor train. Why are you coming down the mountain? That's weird. Not that it matters so much, he's only got one freight wagon. Usually what happens is they get turned around and they have to go somewhere to turn themselves back around again to get around the right way. And then they do strange circuits, but in the details, trains with a loco both ends aren't supposed to be directional, but they are. And the reason for that is, I guess, is because you can have dissimilar materials in the freight wagons. But I don't know why the mountain train was coming down. I'm sorry, the motor train was coming down from there, because the motor train is only ever supposed to go across there and back, not come down here. No train is supposed to stop at these lights, other than the ones going up the mountain. See, that was the dilemma. I could move the lights in a bit. That might help a bit. Let's see. What is going on with my music? I could move to here. I don't know whether that would be enough room for the trains both ways. If he stops there, he's still... Oh, look. This has happened before. I get this crazy music. I don't know what Windows did in the last update, but they've stuffed everything up. Just changing screens takes seconds because of black screens and switching and carrying on. It's ridiculous. It was never like that before the last stupid Windows update. Look at this. You've got to wait 5 seconds for the screen to come back, just to change from one to the other. Ridiculous. You don't see it, but I do. Where's the motor train gone now? He's going home. That's good, he's got to go here. Okay, well, we got around that little possible craziness. The system seemed to sort itself out. Sometimes it doesn't. All right, let's go back to the start. I needed to get some supplies and I didn't do it before I finished up yesterday, so better do it now. And I wrote it down this time, and I need iron plate, and I need crystal oscillators. Now, where are the crystal oscillators? Oh, where's my list? I've lost my list. It's disappeared. This mess of a desk I have here. My list has gone. I was going to print out a new one. I probably threw the old one away. Wonder where the crystal oscillators would be. Up here somewhere. No, down here. All these boxes are going to go as soon as I empty them, except about half a dozen. And more, here they are. A lot of the more simple materials like the iron plate and that, they'll stay up here, but these things like crystal oscillators, they're all available down on level 6, so that's where they'll all end up. But I've got 2 boxes of them up here. It's just crazy. All right, and now I've got some power slugs to process, hard drive to get decoded, so we'll do that. Let's get them out of our inventory. Oh, then we have an analysis to sort out. Which one are we going to have? Flexible frames, heavy flexible frames. Turbo blend fuel. That's awfully complicated. 4 things. Electrode circuit boards. Well, I've got a whole circuit board factory now. That's pretty. Electrode circuit board out of rubber and coke. Well, I don't know. I don't really need turbo blended fuel. I don't need heavy flexible frames. I don't need electrode circuit boards. I'm going to take one. I'll have to take one. So now I've got another hard drive to do, so we'll get that one started. It'll take another 10 minutes. And we'll go around here. Get rid of the grass. Got to sort this whole thing out as well. We've got grass and we've got wood. I swore I was never going to collect any of this stuff. What am I processing at the moment? I've got a ton of this stuff. I'll take them out of there. Put them in there. Still got a whole bunch of it. Where'd it go? Well, still got 800 bales of biomass. Anyway, while that's doing that, what I'll do is process my slugs, get them done, turn them into power shards, give me another 12. Is that music too loud? It seems loud to me. Seeing how there's no one to answer me. I might just turn it down a bit anyway. What's it set at? Oh, this screen changing crap. And the mouse just disappears as well. I'll try it. No, that might be too much. Come on. Oh, for goodness sake. Oh, the delay is shocking. Move. Oh, I can't believe this. Everything used to be fine before this last stupid update that Windows did, and it stuffed everything up. Have I got anything else to process? Hog protein. Make some stinger protein, hog protein, and spitter protein. I have all those bits and pieces I picked up yesterday. Okay. Now I turned the effects down. Now I can't hear anything. Can you hear anything of the factory at all? All I can hear is the stupid music. Can't hear any of the factory and the noises it makes. Oh, I can hear the elevator music. You can hear a bit of the stutter of the machinery. Let's see if I can fix that. Equipment volume, factory volume. Bit louder. I don't want it too loud because it's really an annoying sound. But I want to hear other things as well. What else do I need while I'm here? Gotta get rid of that. Got my oscillators. All right, we'll keep going. So many levels now. Now, get rid of this protein. And all this stuff here. I don't know if I can get rid of it all. I want to keep a little bit in case I need to use my chainsaw. Why have I got all those? 200 radio control units. Oh, that's what I picked them up off the belt. Radio control. Have I got them here? I need to print out a new list. See if I can find them. Ah, that's them. No, they're supercomputers. Look very similar. There they are. Radio control. So I can throw these in. And I'll keep a couple. And I got to get rid of these four. They're taking up valuable space. Yeah. 200 circuit boards. Oh, night time already. I was just getting started. Let's go and check the power, make sure that nothing's gone wrong over at the nuclear power stations. It's still above the blue line, but it's not as above as it used to be. Something's changed. I'm only just getting to 32. That should be going at least 32 and a half. Something's not exactly right, but I can't find it. I looked the other day and I couldn't find out what's not working. Because it's not the nuclear. The nuclear is only supplying around about 20 gigawatts. And the other 12 comes from coal and fuel powered generation. So it's one of those that's not quite optimal. Now I've got some track work to finish up the end there. It's not quite done, just on the other side of the bauxite mine. So if everything here is working, I'll go up there. What I might do is just duck down to the AI and motor freight platforms to make sure that's working all right. We've got heaps of circuit boards. That should be copper sheet. Yeah, that's just storage in there. It's not doing anything. And motors. We've got them. And over here we have AI limiters, heaps of those. Why is that sticking? And our crystal oscillators, so that's all right. Okay, they're okay. And over here we seem to have plenty of fabric. Oh, that's what I didn't check, did I? Oh, I've got plenty of filters. Okay, let's head over to top of MAM research complete. I'll look at that when I get back. I thought that was a train collision. It scared the daylights out of me. Bottom station to top station. That's where we want to go. Oh, we're docking. I don't know why we're docking. Top station to bottom station. No, that's not right. Okay. Let's see if we can get up there without being distracted with other things going on. get up there, it might be daytime. I fully intended to start earlier today, but that didn't happen. All that modern censoring, using title names. It's a bit severe. There's another one, Neanderthal. Oh no, it's just, oh yeah, it didn't allow Neanderthal. That was the name of that horrible song that started up. I had to change. Uh-oh. Now why is that other train stopped there? And there's another train behind it. Great. Wonder if we can get, I think we're too long to fit. Ah, just fitted. What happened there? What happened? Wolf boy. How you doing? Been a while? Haven't seen you on around the traps. Glad you could drop in. I'm just clearing this traffic jam here. There we go. I don't know why that occurred. Probably introducing my red train here into the mix. Stuffed it up. Do you like trains, Wolf boy? How do you use the trains? Well, a lot of them are carrying materials from one factory to another, and this red one is my personal use one where I just float around the network. Oh, there's another one now. Yeah, I can't get past it. At least I can't get past it. He takes the position. Instead of having a dual lane every which way all around the world, I've got a single lane and I have passing lanes. So that's why things get held up a little bit. You'd like to set up the trains. Well, there's two ways. Single track like this or double track. Get my points right. There we go. That's where I want to be. What I might do. Yeah, all right, no, I'll have to leave it the way it is. There's no room. I was going to move my siding. I've got a siding here for my train. You can only change the points from the front of the engine when you want to change directions. You have to run down the other end of the train. Because I've got to get off this line because it's a production line and trains want to use it. Okay, so we'll leave that there. See, once upon a time, this line here that I'm over the top of now was just an exploratory rail line that I blazed off into the wilds of this world just to find things. And then it became a freight line when I started building remote factories. So now I have to put passing lanes in if more than one train uses it. So it's no big deal. But this is a giant passing lane with a station on one of the lanes. And when you set up a passing lane, you have to decide which is going to be the passing lane for upstream and downstream, so to speak. And you've got to maintain that through your whole world, otherwise trains will get really confused and smash into each other. Plenty of water. So why aren't these doing anything? That's the quartz train. He's going to the quartz mine to pick up quartz crystals. This is a bauxite mine here. And the bauxite train is gone. There's no silica. And there's hardly any aluminium solution to go down to the factory because this is all stopped. Now, why has it stopped? Because all the bottles have been used. All we've got is the bottled water left. And not much of that. That's weird. Last time I was here, which was like yesterday, this was full. Where did it all go? It was humming along. Oh, we've got too much water. That's the problem. See, we've got to empty all these blue bottles. That's full water that's come up from the main factory to be disposed of. Well, it's not disposed of, it goes into the water that goes into these refineries here. It takes 18 cubic meters of water. And it also picks up water from down there in the valley, those water extractors. Now this train should have brought some empty canisters to be refilled. And it's got to take away some of this stuff. Now, how come that belt's full now? That's weird. Yeah, that's okay. I'll be here for a few hours. Probably another 3 hours. Take your time. It's bought a lot of water bottles. It's a bit annoying that this fills up. Did I hear a train? No, it's just the noise of the refineries. Well, I increased the water from the creek so rather substantially, so I'll drop it back a bit. We increase it to 350, go back to 330, see if that helps. I'm getting a lot of full bottles from the factory because they're already going into overflow. Is out the way, light? Not full, but this line here is an overflow line, and it fills up those two. And of course this one here is just straight through, but it's full. That's why they're going into overflow. And there's no empty ones coming up because both full and empty ones come up. and I'm just getting all fulls. Because when I don't get any empty ones, these two over here don't work. And they make aluminium solution as well. Is this filled up again? Yep. That's annoying. Got a heap of water in here, but that's okay. That's just a head of water. But what goes in here? Because if I get too much in these refineries, what happens is this has to feed into it. And when this all fills up, those bottles stop getting emptied. And I've got to find a happy medium. Missing plastic. Oh, come on. What's plastic doing in a pipe? There's no plastic in that pipe. No, I don't want that one. I want Mark II. That wants plastic as well. No, it does too. It's only the Mark I that doesn't want plastic. Nah. My kingdom for some plastic. How many do I need? Too much water. This is crazy. Didn't have enough water yesterday, now I've got too much water today. So we're not getting empty bottles from the main factory. We're getting full ones, we're not getting empty ones. You know what I was going to do? Just realised something. I was going to investigate the possibility why is this like this? Foundations. That's all right. In fact, I really don't need that one. Anyway, it doesn't matter. What I was thinking of doing was moving this station over a bit. Then I got nowhere to... that might work. These stupid plants, you can't get rid of them. Oh no, 2 meter, 1 meter. Now if I bring this line from here down to here, why can't I do that? From here to say there. And then from there to here. That'll work. And then this can join on to here. Oh, that's a bit sharp, isn't it? Is there another spot? No, it's the only spot. There is a there. Okay, what I'll do, I'll shorten this. Now, we need some new signals. Where can we put them? There's one there and one here. And we get rid of this one. And the idea of this is we can get the train off of this main track here now. Through here without it sort of piling up there and getting stuck. So then I can use this line for my station. Okay, so what I need is, I've got them at the other end. I don't need those just there, but I'll leave them there for the time being. Now, our station, I think I'm going to have to move the line because the train station is very big. And it's going to get in the way of that one there, so it's got to be over about here. I hope the trains get the loco drivers get the memo that they don't travel on this part of the track anymore. That one might stay. Or it might not. It's going to have to go over one. Alright, so we need some foundations. Move that to there. And we put our station over here. Oh, that's the wrong way around. I just noticed the arrow. That's when I did it. But before I do that, what I need is some more foundations to run down this side here. Is the markings on that the right way? Yes. Okay. I just need to have a station here so I can send my train up here on auto. Save me having to drive it manually. Now I've got to get the direction right. And what have I run out of now? Concrete. I carry supplies. These bushes you can't get rid of, they just have to stay. Now, arrows in the right direction. We've got that there. Uh-oh, you know what's happened now. Look, it's up on stilts because of these stupid plants. Unbelievable. I don't think I can do anything about that. Because you can't get rid of the plants. That's down, so we might put it there. No, it's still up. Ugh. All right. Don't really need a freight platform, but I'll put one in. There won't be any room to get produce out, but look at that. Off the ground because of a plant. Unbelievable. I hope in the next update they allow us to kill these damn things. And look, see, there's one growing right in the middle of my railway track. See if we can go around it. Gotta come from there, don't we? Does that miss it? Almost. Close enough. One day, you're going to get blown up. One day, I'm going to be able to take an obelisk, load it up, load it up, load it up, throw it on there, stick it on, and go boom, and it'll be gone. As you can see, it won't go. And these stupid plants, some of them will, that one will, but those ones won't. You watch. We'll load another one. See, they're still there. That one, that big reedy one went, but those ones don't. They're radioactive or something. They're mutated. You can't get rid of them. Now we've got to put our signal back on, and we need 2 block signals. Oh, no, it's going to need to be here. Otherwise, my train won't fit. I don't know. Always engineering problems. Let's see if we can get it to go right in the middle there on that line. See, it won't bend. See, it doesn't straighten up until there. It's a nuisance. That'll have to do. Now, where's our signals? One there. One there. So that when the train's in the station here, it releases the line. Hope that's long enough. If it's not long enough, I'm going to have to move the station forward. And I can't maroon my train. Put the obelisk down. Okay, so what we've got now, I wonder if there's a place I can put signals here. There. Okay. So we don't need these anymore. want it about there. Oh, look at that. Perfect, because it's going to come right up to that edge. No worries. That's where it's going to come to. When it pulls in the station in auto, it will stop right. Almost there. It'll stop there. So we're in. No one can touch us now. There's plenty of room. Excellent. Dolphin, you little champion. What are you doing here? You come to see me muck things up again. Get rid of that. Oh. And we get rid of that now. We don't need any of that. Now we've got our own little private station 39. No, I don't need to get rid of them all. Once we'll save some of those characters. Never know when you might need them. What's up? When it comes out on Tuesday. I usually stream on Tuesdays, so if it's out by then, I'll be using it, yeah. So tune in at this time on Tuesday. Well, my Tuesday, I don't know your Tuesday. Your Tuesday might not be my Tuesday. What time zone am I in? I'm in AEST. It's the Australian Eastern Standard Time. If you go to timeanddate.com, give you the zones. But if you just remember around about this time, whatever time it is at your place now, go back an hour, because usually around about an hour previous I start, roughly. So I've been going for 57 minutes. So if you go back an hour in your time, that's the time I'll start. That'll probably be Monday. What time is it for me now? It's 6:15 p.m. on Sunday. So my Tuesday will be before your Tuesday, but unfortunately, the Tuesday when the update comes out may not be till my Wednesday. So, so on my Tuesday, it might not be in yet. So you might have to wait till my Thursday. That's not confusing enough. Okay, so we've got Top Station, which is what its name was. And oof, there. We've got our own private little station that nobody else gets to use. Now, let's go back over to the bauxite mine. Because I can't use the bauxite mine station because the freight train uses it. I forget I'm in the hopper pack. Now, has it stopped again? Too much water? Yep. This is crazy. Although it's still... No, the containers have stopped being emptied. I want empty canisters. I don't want full ones. Don't bring me full ones. Just bring me empty ones. Auto save in 8, 7, 6, 5. Quick. 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 I want to see him come out. Beat me. Waiting. Okay. Look, empties. Excellent. That's what I wanted. I got enough full ones, thank you. Although I've used most of them. Oh, that's interesting. But I've still got too much water. Don't know how I'm going to solve this. I got an idea though. I have an idea. And it revolves around these things. Instead of having one at each end, no, that won't work either. It's confusing. I have to get the water from here. I can bring it down here, I think. If I bring the pipe on this side, I've almost got enough room to get it through here. If I bring it through here and then down here, I could put it underneath the walkway. That's what I can do. No, that's not much use. Let's see. I've got one here, but I need two more. What if I put two down the bottom? No, I can't put two down the bottom. I'll have to make a platform. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a platform here. No, down please. Down to the ground. And then get some alignments. That's going into that one there. I could move that just a tad. It's a bit skew with anyway. No, that's not going to work. All right. This is what we're going to do. Goodbye. Let's clear all this out of the way so I can see what I'm doing. We need to get a pipe out of there. And we need to have our water coming from here. That should work. Don't want that at all now. Change my mind. We're just going to have this. Like that. Okay. And we're going to have this one. find another one here. Get rid of that. That's interesting. That's a half a brick out. I think I did that on purpose. Because if you get rid of that, the pipe will come up into there. That's a half. Get rid of the halves. It's good you can do this. Not have the thing fall down. And if we put tree's gonna have to go. Now this one's going to have to be higher than that one. So either do a half, let's do a half. It's going to have to sit up there like that. There for the time being. Why won't it come up big square. That's horizontal, vertical, but it's diagonal. Should go straight across and down. Oh, over there. And now this one here. That's going to be okay. Don't light that tube up too much. Okay, so we've got our water going again. Now this one has to connect into this one. Foundations. You leaving? Okay. We're just going to buy some real estate. We don't need a whole lot. But it's going to cause a problem if I don't. No, it won't. It's all right. Foundations. What do we got? Default. Zoop. only trouble is we don't have a half wall. You can go. Any others can go? No. All right. We can put our wall back anyway. Don't want the creatures getting in, do we? Now, the only problem with that is that's going to interfere with our catwalk. What a nuisance. We don't have a half wall, you see. Now, there's no water in there. We've got no water and no canisters to fill with alumina solution. We've got plenty of alumina solution here. Why isn't the train taking it all? Hello, why is this down? That shouldn't be down there like that. It's stuck, look. It should be up. Strange things are going on. You know what I'm going to do, don't you? Take all that space there. And I'm going to extend the wall along there. Because it doesn't matter. Then I can put one there, you see. Solves the whole problem. Now the spiders can't get me. What's Mr. Bean doing sitting on my pipe? Get off my pipe. He's down there sitting on my pipe. Must be warm or something. Ah, now I can see. No, I can't do that. What are you doing? It's Dolphin. I'm rebuilding my bauxite factory to fix this water problem. I have a water problem. I end up with too much water and the bottling plant, the unpackaging plant stops working, and then I can't get empty bottles to refill with aluminium solution to send down to the factory. So I've had to change the whole water system so that it only comes in one place. That's all right, I don't mind caps. So what I've got to do is give priority to this one by giving it more gravity. This one comes up from the bottom, from the creek. So they mix together here and come into here. Then I can put a valve here, which I don't even think I need a valve there. I think I can get rid of that valve. I just need a pipe. Ordinary old pipe. No, I don't want one of those ordinary old pipes. I want one of these ordinary old pipes. And now I should be able to regulate the amount of water coming into this system. Now I've got to disconnect this one. Disconnect that. I don't even think I need that. Is that filling up? Yes, it's filling up. Right, I'll leave that there. Disconnect that. Got to come over here. And this is going to have to move. We've got to hook into there. I think it's 3, I'm not too sure. Yeah, there we go. All right. So now, you just dropped off some full bottles, have you? No. What are you doing? Now I don't have any full ones or empty ones. What's gone wrong now? Something's gone crazy at the bauxite, at the aluminium factory. Because I've got no bottles to put aluminium solution in. Too many cricket. So all right, so we've got water here now, going into here. And then that water's got to mix with this water and go into here. And we want that to go to 36. See, it's going over. Well, that doesn't matter, that can fill up. That's fine. That's an input. It's only the outputs. Only outputs. So there's this one here. Okay. We've got nothing to test it with. Why is that full? Because it's backed up. Oh, look, there's a valve sitting there. Need that. We're going to put that valve here. Valve, valve, valve. Here we have valve. And we want it to go that way. Because we don't want it to back up. Okay. I think that's right. No, that's not right at all. What we need... Maybe we need the valve here. We'll throw valves everywhere. One of them's got to fix it. That won't go in there. Ah, you silly Billy. That's why I wanted it square. Wouldn't give me a square one. I've just got to fiddle around with these things. That's as high up as it'll go. It's not high enough. It's only temporary, by the way, folks. That's straight. Now, hopefully, if they're in alignment, I can get a pipe in there. There you go. Don't need that bit. That's sealed up. Don't need leakage. And this one here, hopefully it's going to be long enough for the, you know, you raid people when you finish your stream. I ended up being on a raid train and watched 4 different Satisfactory streams. Yeah, that's what happens. That's great, isn't it? You just get to travel around and see all sorts of stuff. That's the whole point of it. A raid train. You can jump off the train at any time you like. Okay, now hopefully with local air junctions, I can put a valve in here. Not sure if it's the right place, but we're going to try it anyway. Goodness, not much room. I don't know if I can fix that pipe. No, it looks like it might have fixed itself. All right. We're going to try and stop the water backing up. I don't know if I've got this right or not. See, that's full. I don't want that ever to fill up, you see. But I want this one full. The train's arrived and he's got some canisters. That's good. Now let's see what's going on. We didn't get very many. They've all been used already. We've got all this aluminium solution to go down, and that's full. That should have been dropped off at the last trip. Why didn't it drop it off? And this one here, here we go. Look at this. That's not supposed to be there. They're supposed to be in here. That's why we haven't been getting any canisters. Somehow or other, the train got turned around. We want silica in there. What did they just take? That won't go in there. Water bottles. Full water bottles. Go in here. Okay, that might solve the problem. And we've got all this. And that's full as well. All right, let's send him off and see if he can get it right this time. So now we've got full bottles, the blue ones, being emptied. And the water goes down here, into here, and it goes down there, and around there, and over here, and up here, which is half full. Then it goes from there, mixes with what comes up here. Why is there a tile down there? Get rid of that. It mixes with the water here and goes into here. Whoops, don't want to delete it. Which is full. And then that goes to the refineries, and they should be able to make alumina solution and silica. See, they're happy now. Well, they're happy-ish. What I've got to do is try and keep this thing happy, keep it emptying the bottles. Oh, I'm sorry, I still haven't fixed that audio problem. I don't hear the messages. All right, stretch. Oh yeah, that's good. You never think to do it, you know. When you do it, it's so good. Did you redeem a hydrate too? Did you redeem a hydrate? Because I'm getting a bit thirsty. I'll treat myself to a hydrate. It's all right. I just drank a bottle of lemon and ginger. Lemon and ginger kombucha. Nice. There you go. Done my stretch. Did my hydrate. Now see, these guys have stopped again. I know they're going. Because if these water bottles stop, the whole system shuts down, and I don't know why that's full of water. I might just take it out of circulation. It keeps filling up. That should be at the same level as this one. So it shouldn't matter. They should be both the same. Yeah, it is. Which means the water bottles will stop. So I haven't fixed the problem. Okay, so what if I put a... I don't know. I'm at a loss now. If I put a valve in there, I'm missing rubber. Come on. Spare me. I don't carry a lot of plastic and rubber. I've got plastic here. There's some rubber. Phew. Maybe I got this connection on the wrong side. No, but that's what I had before with it on the other end. That didn't work, so let's put a valve here and see if this works. If I reduce that, Now see, I don't want to reduce it because I want that to be variable when there's no full bottles to empty. See, that's not there's nothing flowing in it at the moment. And there's nothing flowing in that one. There's no water going anywhere because that's full. See, as soon as I empty that, the bottles start going. Dolphin, do you understand fluid dynamics? Because I certainly don't. See, this is just filling up. And the water's not going down there. It's not going down there. It's not doing anything. Because this keeps getting full. Come on. Not really. Yeah, see, when you're putting water into something like these refineries, that's fine. You can put as much in as you like. See, this is the in, right? And you really need to get it up to, say, double what it needs. So you need to get to 36. So you can let that fill right up to full 50. But what happens is when you have water coming out of something, like this unpackager here, it puts out water, but if it can't get rid of the water, then it stops unpackaging. And that's the problem, because what happens is when it unpackages, the empty container here goes down here into this packager to be refilled, and you can see we're running out of them. I mean, it's really weird because, you know, a blue bottle goes in and a brown container comes out. It's even a different shape, but anyway. See, so I've got to keep that going to keep the empty canisters going into there so that they can be refilled and come back out as white bottles, come out this conveyor belt here. So I've got to keep these bottles moving. So I've got this wastewater, and it's the wastewater that's the problem. So there's the only thing you can do with wastewater with the sink is to package the wastewater up like it is in these blue bottles and send it to the sink. But what happens is you lose the empty canister. You see? What I'm doing is I'm taking the water out of the canister and refilling it with aluminium solution and sending it back to the factory. So I don't have to make any more empty containers. Not on the inputs, but only on the outputs, you see. That's what I'm explaining. If you can't get rid of the water on the output, the machine stops. You can have as much water as you like on the input, it doesn't matter. It's only the output. Like this particular machine here, it has a water output. See, water's going out, and also what comes out is empty canisters. So you put packaged water in, and you get water out and an empty canister. Well, the empty canister goes to be refilled, but the water comes down this pipe here, and the only way it can get rid of the water is to feed it back into the refinery, because it takes water as an input. But remembering that an input can fill up and then not worry the machine, it does worry the output of another one that's connected to it. Yes. Yes, it can't empty the machine, and therefore it stops. And then I don't get any empty canisters until it starts again. You'll see. See, they're moving now. You can see the blue bottles going in on the right and the empty canisters going out on the left. And in the middle there, you've got that blue pipe that's pulsating, which means the water's coming into here. And then it goes down there into this other one. And gravity says that this one gets priority over this one. That's what I believe. But the empty canisters, like when there's no empty canisters, I have to get water from somewhere, so I get it from the creek down here. What's that Mr. Bean still sitting in that spot? But when I get water from the creek, it'll fill up and stop this emptying. See, that's full now, 50. And that's not full. And the bottles aren't being, well, they're being emptied now. That's full. See, it has this idle period because it can't get rid of this water. There's too much water in here. See? If I flush that, then it gives it space to fill up. Once it's full, it stops again. And there is a way of doing it. And it's giving priority to this water in this canister here. But I can't seem to get that right. Now Mark II only has extra capacity. I don't need more capacity, I just need to get rid of it out of here. Because this water here is too high a pressure. It's not allowing it to come out of here. It's coming up at a higher pressure and then it's coming out of here. So if I set this at, where is it? If I set that at a lower number, say I set it at like 100. I set it at 100. What does these machines want 120? No, that's the output. They want 180. They want 180 each, and there's 4 of them. That's see if we can work it out. 180 times 4, 720. So if we make, I don't know if this will work. If I make this one 300, and I make this one, no, it's not going to work either, because 720's more than 600 anyway. Get off the damn thing. Stick your foot on it. See, this is going to be 300 anyway. Where is it? So I only got that set at 75. I don't know. It's baffled me the whole time I've been playing this game, because this is the first factory I ever built. If that'll stay like that, that'll be fine. Where are my empty canisters? Where have they all gone? Oh, here comes some now. The other thing that will stop the refinery, of course, is if it can't get rid of the alumina solution. And if it can't get rid of this, by putting it into these packaging, they'll stop as well. Well, how many full bottles? As many as I can get from the refinery. From the aluminium factory, because at the aluminium factory, the full alumina bottles, these white ones, they go down and get emptied, and water gets put in them and brought back up here, and there they are there. It should be a closed system so that as many bottles go down as what come back. There's no waste. It's just getting that delicate balance right, I guess. But I've got far too many full bottles at the moment, and I don't know why, because I ship up one full bottle to 2 empty canisters. Underclock the machine so the bottles go into the machine at the same rate as it empties. The bottles go into the machine at the same rate as it empties. Yeah, no, I'm just thinking. I'm thinking that. Well, what happens is down at the aluminium factory is that the water I've got to get rid of is water coming out of the refineries. Because when the alumina solution goes into the refinery, you get aluminium scrap and water. And that's the water that I bring back up here. So I don't know what rate the water comes out, but see, I also use that water down in the factory for other things. It's too complicated. It's too complicated for the poor human brain to be able to figure out. All I know is I'm not getting enough empty canisters. So I need more empty canisters. I've got plenty of full ones. Well, I did have. There's none there. I've only got that many left now. Oh, okay. Oh, see, I've emptied all the full ones. There's the last ones now. So this whole factory is going to stop as soon as they finish because there's no empty canisters. There's two ways to get empty canisters. They either come up emptied or they come up full. And there they go. That's the last of them. So they all get refilled now until the train comes back with either some full ones or some empty ones. Yep, me too. So what I'm saying, it's very complicated this end and it's very complicated at the other end, and that's beyond me. So just by trial and error, you might hit on something. But we've run out of empty canisters now. That's the end of the empty canisters. Oh no, there's still 32 in the cache, but once these 26 are gone, that's it. Until the train gets back. Got plenty of alumina solution to package, but nothing to package them in. Yeah, they're all gone. Everything stops now. And when this stops, it'll slowly fill up with water. And then this will fill up with water, so when the empty canisters come, it won't empty them. Is this still empty? Oh, that's okay, that's fine. I don't know why that one's empty. Oh, because of this valve. Ah, let's get rid of that valve. The Jolly Grim Reaper, greetings, welcome. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get the excess water to be chewed up by the refinery. And if I could keep those bottles coming in, that would be fine, but that's never ever going to happen because trains stop, trains get wrecked. So I need extra water from the creek down there. And that creek water pressurizes this, but it's staying unpressured at the moment, so I'm pretty close to what I need. And that's at 300 on that one and 75 on that one. Where's the train? Should be back by now. See? Trains are unpredictable. Here he comes. I've got all this alumina solution to take. See, it's full. I've got no empties. I might have to go down and talk to aluminium factory manager. See what the hell he's doing. Because he's not got many empty bottles. That's not enough. Why am I getting more full ones than empty ones? I should be getting two empties for every full. Well, we might be getting close. See? When the empties come down, they get refilled. It's not a problem. They get refilled and they go back. It's just when we hit the full ones that have got water in them, we've got to get rid of the water. And this one here's now empty. That's interesting. Let's see what happens when the full bottles come through. Here they come now. That's looking better. As long as there's room here for that water to go into, I'm happy. And assuming, of course, these have got enough water. No, see, they don't have enough water, see? They need more water. When the water's coming in, it's not enough. It's the same problem I had yesterday. It's only getting to 10. No, sorry, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. It's getting to 26. And it has to wait, see? What am I getting on this? What sort of a rate? It's going up to about 280 or something, 270. Yeah, it's getting up to about 270. That's 270 going down there. It's not enough. Oh, you know what? You know what? I've put the wrong pipe in. That's not going to help. I need that pipe. I need the 600 pipe. And I need the 600 pipe in there. Actually, I don't need the 600 pipe down there, but I've got it all the way up there. But I need it there, because that'll only let 300 through. Now that pipe will let 600 through. And that lets 600 through. What's this one? That's only a 100 as well. Oh, come on, stop standing on the rail. You need a Mark II there as well. Okay, that'll help. So this storage unit here has the combined water from the creek and from the full containers, which is here. And of course we've got no bottles now. So that's why we need more creek water. But I need someone here to keep turning the valve on and off. What if I set them both at the same? Set them both at 225. Will that balance? I don't know. Still not enough, is it? See, now we've got plenty of water, but we can't get rid of the aluminium solution because we don't have any empty canisters. Train's gone, he'll be back shortly. He's not bringing enough back. Something's happened. Where is he? Is he on his way back? There he is. He's coming back now. He's a busy little boy. But he's coming back half full. A perplexing problem. I think I downloaded a fluids tutorial PDF the other day. I think I'm going to have to read it. You know the old saying, don't you? If all else fails, read the instructions. And that's my slogan. If all else fails, read the instructions. There might be a loop around pipe system that you can use to fix this. Come on. It's not much. hang on, what's going on here? Come on, pick the right. See, that's full, that's not emptying. Or did that pick them all up from there? Oh, I've got a few. Didn't get many silicas though. All right, let's go down and see what's going on in the aluminium factory. Take a train ride. Oh, those points changed right at the last minute. Okay, so here we are. Now that first one there is the empty bottles and the full bottles, and this middle one is the aluminium solution it's dropping off, and the end one is silica. So what happened with all that? That's what we got before. That's about the same amount, isn't it? And we didn't drop off many of these, and we dropped off all the silica. So we've got silica in there, we've got heaps of aluminium solution, and we've got hardly any empty bottles. Now, silica goes down there, and the aluminium solution goes down there. And the aluminium solution's in here. Oh, it's full. Then it goes into here, and that's full. Now there's two unpackages over here, and they're unpackaging the aluminium solution, and the empty canisters go back to the freight platform, and the aluminium solution goes down this pipe to the refineries. Got that? So, over here, the canisters are divided 2 to 1 two go in that way into that container there, and one comes down here to be refilled. And then they go from here, the empty ones go straight back to the platform where they're coming in, and the other empty ones come down here and get repackaged. Could flash the pipe. Yeah, I know, but you've got to keep doing it. This game's about automation. So we're packaging up the water here and sending it back with the empties. See, some empties and some full ones. So we're making our aluminium scrap, and the water that comes out of the refinery, excess plastic or resin, not in this factory, this is an aluminium factory. So there's the water that's coming out of the refinery from the alumina solution. Right? The alumina solution creates the aluminium scrap and the water. Now that water goes over here and it goes into here to make cooling systems, uses 5 cubic meters, and it also goes into this packager here, which is what I just explained. Oh, and it also goes into the sulfuric acid factory as well. So there's a bit of water used there, a bit of water used there. But not as much as what's coming out, because there's 4 refineries and they're producing 150, where we need 750 at the other end. That's why we've got to use creek water. All right, so we've got to go back now. Because it can't stay here all day. More of the aluminium solution. Well, as soon as you consume more aluminium solution, you create more water. There's got to be a way of doing it. But trial and error doesn't seem to be working. Why is it still docking? What happened then? Hang on, don't go. What happened to my bottles? That thing took my bottles. What happened to my water? I had bottles of water there. There's no bottles of water there. I'm sure there were some bottles in that. Wasn't there full bottles in that freight wagon? All the full bottles just disappeared. They'll get stuck in the system somewhere. Then something will stop working. But I can't find them here. And I've got to get moving because how do I get back to the station? The trains will start piling up. Because other trains come in here. Well, I don't know what happened to my bottles. But I need some. Oh, hang on. They're back. That's weird. I was looking at the wrong thing. I was looking at the platform and not the... I was looking at the platform and not the freight wagon. No, it's not a bug. Oh, it is a bug. Sort of. I've told them about it and they said, oh, trains, they're done. We're not worrying about them anymore. We're too busy doing update 8. Maybe we'll look at trains later. But I think it was before update 5, you could just look at a freight wagon, press E, and it'd show you what's in it, no matter where you were. And now, if the train's in the station, it's really hard to select the wagon because it keeps selecting the freight platform underneath it. It's a pain. You've got to be really careful what you're looking at, and you make a mistake like I just did. But it showed the train was empty, but it actually had stuff in it. Weird. It's still showing empty, actually. It is weird. Look, it's picking up an empty container. Look, all of a sudden the container reappeared. That's a bug. Yes, I did discover a bug. The container disappeared until the machinery tried to pick it up, and then it said, oops, there's supposed to be a container here. Now I'm getting my empty canisters. I had other things to do today. Not playing around with this. Well, if that doesn't fill up, I'm happy. Coal nearby to get rid of the excess water. Not around here, but other places. I reckon we can take the water somewhere else. That might be an idea. Well, you would have had the same problem as I got here. I'm sending the excess water into these refineries, which is what you do with coal. But it's not enough water. If the excess water is enough water to run the coal thing, yeah, that's fine. If I have a refinery, petroleum coke, hang on, I need a space to put the refinery down. Yeah, that's not going to work. What uses plastic? Is that water? Residual plastic. That takes water. But I need polymer resin. I'm using all my polymer resin. That's not water, that's not water. That's the only one that uses water. Hang on, that's water. No. Oh, that's making alumina solution. That's all water, isn't it? No, that's not water. That's water. Bauxite and water. Well, that's what I'm doing here. Sulfur and water. That's what I'm doing down the aluminium factory. Wet concrete. I'm not creating wet concrete. If I could set up a wet concrete and then sink the concrete, that'll get rid of the water. Too hard. I'm feeding the water from the aluminium scrap reduction and feeding it to the alumina solution one. Yes. Yes. That water down at the aluminium factory you saw being packaged, and the train brought it up here, and then it empties it over here, which it's done. Now I've got no more packaging. Well, the other option is to sink some of this alumina solution. I've got an overflow here, but it's not reaching the overflow. It's not quite full. If it fills up down to here, if the belt fills up with alumina solution to here, it will overflow and it will go to the sink. But that's never happened. Well, it happened once, that's why I put that system in, but it hasn't happened since. And I got 2 full industrial containers, 2 of these down in the aluminium factory, full of this stuff, plus what we've got here. We're reaching saturation point. Nice little cane. I know I put those bottles in. Yeah. So all the bottles are down at the aluminium factory because it doesn't need a lot of alumina solution at the moment. That's why they're all filled up down there. The only thing I'm short on is silica. Maybe I can just get some more silica off the quartz train. Because the quartz train delivers silica to the aluminium factory. Quartz to the it goes from the quartz mine to the dock at the main factory, drops off quartz crystals, and it goes over to the aluminium factory and drops off silica. And it does it again. Goes the next trip, it goes quartz. So it's got a 600 delay. This one's got a 800 delay. Let's make that 600 as well. Hey, tried to pick me up. Well, I'm going to leave that for today because this is getting boring. And that's got no water in it. And that's got hardly any water in it. Why is that only a 300 valve now? Didn't I up that to 600? That's 600 there. Oh, that's only a 300 there. That's all I can get out of that anyway. It's this one. I might as well have no valves at all. Okay, I'm out of here. Woo! Get off the rail. Tightrope walker. Let's go over to the quartz mine, have a look at the quartz mine. I haven't been over there for ages. Look out! We're going down. Whee! Oh, that was a hard stop. Train's in. It's got heaps of silica and heaps of quartz crystals. This one should be empty. It's full of silica as well, in case it gets turned around. We've got plenty of quartz crystals. We've got not filled up yet. Now this is where all the quartz and silica are stored. Quartz crystals on that side and silica on that side. And you can see the the quartz is full. And that's all just moving up because the train took some a while ago. And there's about 4 or 5 levels of this stuff. There's tons of it here. It's a matter of getting the train to take it. And another one. Whoop. And the last one. Same as the other ones. All full. Well, this has been a good little factory. It's been just churning out silica and quartz crystals non-stop, and filled all those levels up. Never been a problem. Sometimes it's weird being in a hover pack. Oh, what happened was, this is funny. I was looking for the quartz nodes, and there's two of them there, one there and one over there. And I was in the train, and I got to the top of this mountain here, and then I started building a foundation down here. I've removed most of it, and I got to about here, and I realised I wasn't going to get low enough to put the train station on the ground, so I just built the train station up in mid-air, and ran conveyor belts down to the bottom. And then I thought, well, I've got all this space underneath the station, so I just built from the station down and put in the storage just to fill in the gap between the station and the ground. That's how that happened. I thought it looked silly sitting up in mid-air, so I built a storage under it. It's a nice view from here. Did I turn on the train? When I was up here, I always wanted to go down there, and I thought, well, maybe around that corner there's a cave or something. So I built a train line from my AI Limited factory, which is just there, and the train line came up here and followed the water down, and I got down there and there was no cave. So I continued it on around, and it goes way over there, and I put a radar tower on top of that peak and put a station down there. You can just see the station just at the bottom. Don't use that line much. Well, I've got to go over to the Aluminium Casing Factory and finish it, because I ran out of iron plate. I couldn't finish the wall, so I was just going to do that. There's a slug around here somewhere. Get a bit nuts. Yeah, anyway, let's head back and we'll go over to this casing factory. I make casings in that aluminium factory, but I never made enough, so I made a remote factory. Now I've got too many casings. Oh, look. There's a doggo. He ran away. Hey, come back. Hey, I got a new friend. Doggo with no name. This is a girl. I can tell. Go and find me something. Hello? Jolly Grim Reaper. Didn't know you'd coming. I like annoying these things. Oh. Go on, blurt me out another bug. Uh-oh. The trains are piling up. Gotta go. Ah, there's a buggy I've got to kill. Can't leave one bug here without a home. Gotta go. Actually, I don't have to go. Get out of the road. Get out of the way, bamboo. We can have some more fun with this guy. Wakey, wakey. I've got homing ammo, so I don't have to aim. Whoa, he tried to get away. They try and get behind you. Oh. Open sesame. Sometimes I get impatient. tell I've been here before. Not the power lines, no. That's right. I always put down power lines, I never pick them up. There's coal. You want some coal? Normal. There used to be a plasma spitter around here somewhere. Oh, there he is. Hey, where's my power? Where'd he go? Oh, I did it again. I get him? Nope. Oh, he's really mad now. Oh. There's more over here. Did I'm not sure if I got that. I think I got the hard drive out of there, but I haven't marked it. One hiding just down here. Sneaky little devil. No, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to press the C key. Oh, there's a couple of bugs left. Get him? Yep. Oh, right on it. More bugs. Did I miss any? Ah, got that one. And one more over here. Is that one over there? No, it's just a bush. I've probably got this thing. Yeah, I've already got it. Let's mark it so I know not to come back again. Anyway, trains are probably piling up now. Hello, Mr. Bean. Oh. Yeah, all right. You're complaining. I'm leaving. There's 2 trains piled up now. I'm the boss. I can do what I like. Here's my aluminium casing factory. Oh, there you are. Wonder how long it's going to be before you got him. Oh, it's full. Look at that. Well, not full. But there's some aluminium casings there ready to take away. But you know what? He's not picking them up, so that means the main factory doesn't need any. Uh-oh. Maybe it's just the autosave. Anyway, not my problem. Hello, elevator. I like my elevators. I need silica. Nothing's working because I've run out of silica. And that comes in here. Now I was going to put a roof on this. Oh, no, it was the other factory I was working on, wasn't it? Okay, we'll go over and see why we're not getting any silica. I'll put this roof on later. I was putting a roof on the other one, and I ran out of iron plate. Hey, can we have some plants on my rocks, please? Thank you. Let's fix up these foundations one day. Get a nice view from here. At the Rocky Desert Lookout. See those buildings down there? That's my motor factory. Nothing goes in, just motors come out. Because there's a copper node and an iron node, and there's a coal node up on the hill, up on the cliff above. Completely self-contained, and just makes motors. Easy. All this other stuff's complicated. Now that silica's destined for that casing factory, and there's not much there. We've got plenty of aluminium solution. That's full. Even that's only showing half. It's actually full. And that's 24 out of 24. That's also full. Now what I was doing is I was putting a roof on this, and I ran out of materials. What was I making doing this one? Single window frame? No, this one. I can't put a frame there. I'll put it there instead. Hello. Now I'm missing steel beams. Oh, never ending. The train's just arrived. Well, it's not going to take any. Not going to take much because it came in with those wagons still containing a fluid container. So anyway, what do I need? Steel beams. See, as soon as it takes some aluminium solution, the silica arrives. I haven't even turned these on yet. I built a second row. I haven't even turned them on. Oh, one day. Okay, that's all I needed to do, except turn these on. What are we making? This one. Oh, I haven't put any power in. That's what I was doing. I was putting power in. Don't need that anymore. I've snapped to a wall. That's a window. I'll stick it on the window. Can I stick it on the bit in between? No? That's a worry. Now, you know what I can do? Here's what I can do. Where are they? Yeah. I don't know why I didn't think of this before. Now we'll have lots of silica, but we'll also get more aluminium solution. Now all I've got to do is connect this up, because all this aluminium solution is not going anywhere. I was going to hook it onto there. I suppose it really matters. That's not straight. That's straight. Yeah. As soon as I plug that in, that stopped. Still got too much alumina solution. Should ship it down to the bauxite mine. The other one, the other bauxite mine. Train goes right past there. But there's no station it can stop at. Well, the thing is that the other bauxite mine that I was at earlier, its alumina solution goes to the same place that this one's does. That's why this was just an excess one. Make one, yeah, I know, but this goes to the same place anyway. And as you can see, it's full because this factory was excess to what the bauxite mine was doing. So that's why the bauxite mine's not working so well anymore, because this one's supplying more aluminium solution than it is. It's jealous, so it's going on strike. I can't do much about that other than sinking the aluminium solution. But I'd have to put a packager in. I could put a packager and just run it really slowly. But then what am I going to do with all the packages? Oh, I'll put it in a sink, yeah. I could put a sink here. Awesome. I need cable. All I got to do is just package. Oh, but hang on, if I package, I've got to have empties. Liquids are always hard to deal with. To package up the alumina to sink it, I have to have empty canisters. Make batteries and sink them. Batteries from... Yeah, but to make batteries I need sulfuric acid, don't I? Then I need sulfur. That's a catch-22, isn't it? Need sulfur. I've got packaged aluminium. I've got packaged sulfur down at the aluminium factory. But I can't bring it up here. I've got nothing to bring it up here. And sink it like crazy. Yeah, but it's just creating more problem because I've got to get more alumina solution down there, and it's just gets crazy. I don't mind if these factories stop while there's no use for their product. Pity there's no easy way to get rid of the solutions. What else have we got? Blenders, but they take too much stuff. We need to turn the liquid into a solid. Look at the size of that thing, it's huge. Wouldn't even fit in here. No, I don't have any aluminium casings. The situation I'm trying to fix. Excess plastic and turn it into containers. Oh, what a job. Too hard. Too hard. See, when it takes the aluminium away, it starts working. See, they're all working now. Well, some of them are. No, they're all working. Some are on standby, some are working. Depends on demand. Build a heap of liquid storage things and then just flush them every few days. Yeah, every time I come up, I just give them a big flush. Have we got any room outside? Might be a bit of room out there. That's what you did on the multiplier map before the last update. Yeah. If you could do it, if you could feed it into the storage unit slowly, so it took a long time to fill up, just slowly enough to keep the factory going, that'd be an idea. But you can't do that because you've only got a choice of 300 or 600 pipes. Oh, valve. Oh, of course. Let's see. What do we got? Can I get one of these big guys in here? Well, that's a bit big, isn't it? I'd like to just dangle a hose over the edge and let it fall down below. Missing plastic. Get out of the way. Shoo, shoo. Come on, get out of the way. We've got room out here. It's a bit rocky. big guy, isn't it? I don't know if it'd fill up. Oh, you know what? I could put a wall hole there. I like wall holes. Oh, quick. Need a valve. Quick, 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 quick. What's a low number? It's going up and down. I don't know if it'll fill up because gravity and such. You have to pump into it. How's that? Nothing's happening. Where's my... Do I need to fix the pipe? See, it's not moving. Maybe I put it around the wrong way. No, there's a bit in there. That got in there before, didn't it? flow of 11.8. Oh, I can test it here, can't I? That's better. I think it'll be coming up here every hour to empty this damn thing, if indeed it'll fill. I don't think it's going to fill. It needs to be lower. Okay, needs to be lower. We can go lower. We can go lower. Not that I don't fall to my death while I'm trying to build this. I'm going to die, I can see this. One, I didn't want a one, I wanted this one. Keeps going to one. Why is this going to one? I'm selecting 4 if you don't mind. Oh, it's R, I press an E. Okay. How far do we have to go down? How high is that? It's not three high, is it? I've gone down to 3, that's all right. Oh, I went a lot further down, didn't I? I needed to go down 3, that's a lot further down. What happened there? It's 2 different levels. There's enough room to get the pipe up. Ah, it's going through the rock. I don't know if that's going to go over the... I don't know if that's going to clear the rocks. Is that any better or worse? I can't tell. It's the same, but it's at an angle now. It's hard to tell if that's straight. It looks like it's straight, doesn't it? Oh, look at that. It's crooked. Does that matter? That's one way to get rid of it. Fill it up and then delete it. Does that work? Now I've got to get it over to there now. It's, where is it? It's right on the edge. That's a bit wonky, but it'll have to do. What happened there? Oh, 8, not 6. Oh, I decided to put a half there, didn't I? There you go, feels safer now. Oh, hang on. Oh, we missed one. That'll do. It'll take a while to fill up. That was a good idea. It's not automatic, it still has a manual component. But is this still working? Barely. I think I have to get rid of more than I wish to. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. I might be able to up that a little bit once I see how it's faring. I don't want to run out of aluminium solution. There he is now. It's time for me to say goodbye to you guys. It's getting late. To do some more on this in a couple of days' time. Anyway, that was a good idea from the Jolly Grim Reaper. I should put a thing on the wall. Idea supplied by the Jolly Green Reaper. Flash me. I can get rid of these two here now because I don't really need them. I did have a fluid container there, but that's why they're separated. There was a fluid container, but I ended up removing it so I could get rid of that junction. Who cares? Home, James. And don't spare the horses. Let's build a cover for the front of that train. It sticks out now because I added an extra wagon on it. I designed that factory for a freight train with 2 wagons, and now it's got 3. And 4 hours went quick. This game is a real time absorber. Pleasant way to spend my Sunday afternoon, your Saturday night, probably late night, early morning. Gee, we're getting all the greens. Change quick. There you go. We're going to hit the spiral at 100 kilometers an hour, 120 kilometers an hour, and there's going to be passengers throwing up. Just look at the train. Don't look at the scenery whizzing by. Doing 126, 127 around a circle, 128. You want to slow down? 129. It's a bit fast. Going to be a sudden stop at the other end, I tell you. Everyone's going to get whiplash. Oh, you're braking already, that's good. Once you've got a bit of an idea, you're going to be stopping soon. You're still doing 85, 70, 60. Too fast. Kaboom. Where's the plastic? I never find the plastic. Maybe I don't have any up here. Oh, well, I give up. Where's the plastic? Don't know where I've got screws up before, never need them. There's no plastic here. Bummer. Oh, I gotta go. Where the rubber is. I think it's in the other alleyway. Rubber, yes. Oh, right here. I'm looking at the sign and it's right under it. Okay, that's it from me, and I'm going to have to go quickly, so I'm not going to rate anybody today. There's only two of us, you and me. I'm sure you can find someone to look at, someone that is on your favourites list. Crutchy's on, you can go and watch her. Crafty Big Guns is on. Anyway, thanks for sticking around, and enjoy the rest of your day.